Date log, March 6th, 2026. I just pulled up this spoon. It's stainless. It's sitting under here like that. And I scraped it. I saw this and I just dug and pulled it up. And then I looked at it. I was like, didn't say much, but I turned around and looked at the back here and said, well, about being stainless. And then there's a stain there. There it is. And after that, I saw that. I was like, wow, that's a pretty cool looking spoon. Got a nice handle. There you go. Clean this one up. Here's the spoon. And I even found a saucer from Italy, made in Italy with initials on it. But it's going to come up in a future video soon. This is Collectable. Where's the name at? No, sorry. Oneida. Community stainless. It's a nice spoon.